Dear telespectators, greetings and welcome to our channels in Kuwayisache Kagoma TV, where we present you a sound of alarm. This sound of alarm is a genocide warning to the United Nations, United States of America, African Union, European Union, and Republic of South Africa. Subject: ongoing genocide in Eastern RDC Congo. Rwandan military forces must be stopped. Today we have May 13th, 2025, and we are addressing to His Excellency Antonio Guterres, United Nations Secretary General, the government of the United States of America, to the African Union Commission Chairperson, to the European Union High Representative for Foreign Affairs, and His Excellency Cyril Ramaphosa, President of Republic of South Africa. We, the concerned citizens and witnesses of the gravest ongoing human tragedies in modern history, hereby raise this urgent call to international community. 3 years ago, the Rwandan Defense Forces RDF alongside their militia proxy M23 re-invaded the Eastern Republic of Congo, resuming what can only be described as a systematic targeted genocide in North Kivu province. Here, crimes against humanity are being committed, witnessed, and documented. Civilians burned alive or thrown into pit latrines to die in agony. Infants tied to the corpse of their murdered mothers. Entire villages looted and razed, with families rounded up and forcibly deported to Rwanda, which is happening even right now. Old men and women, babies, young men and teenage girls are being packed into military trucks, vanishing without a trace. Isn't it a genocide? This is not a war. This is an extermination, an ethnic epilation. This is a forced demographic cleansing. The world can no longer call this a conflict. It is a genocide in motion. The 15 million plus lives lost over the past decades are not a statistic. They are the silenced testimony of an ignored people. Right now today, in GOMA, election cards and personal IDs of Congolese citizens are being seized and burnt, preparing the way for a mass disappearance of civilians who will soon be falsely labeled as FDLR rebels, FARDC soldiers, or Wazalendo combatant, only to be eliminated without record. Let it be known, these are ordinary civilians, not combatant. The world will mourn them later, placing flowers and bowing before bones like it did in Rwanda's 1994 genocide, but we demand action right now, not posthumous apologies. The international response so far has been pathetic and shameful, limited to phantom dialogues and diplomatic affairs. Rwanda has never respected peace agreements, and there is no evidence it ever will. Each dialogue is followed with a new massacre, a new invasion, and more tears of Congolese soil on Congolese soil. Let's also remind the world, this killing machine started in Rwanda, province of Byumba, 1990 and 1998, where our PF soldiers used rudimentary hose, agafuni, to kill innocent Hutu civilians, a method still used today in the North Kivu and to date in the city of Goma. This must end now. We call on the United Nations to invoke its responsibility to protect and authorize immediate action. We call upon the United States of America to end all diplomatic and military support to Rwanda until these atrocities stop, and even to review and consider to never send the irregular immigrants of other nations or terrorists unwanted on the United States soil deportable to Rwanda. Please do not, because even Rwandans are tired of a genocidal government which kills its citizens. So bringing those criminals on its soil is a knife in the wound of citizens who will feel the increase of agony in their lives. May this project be cancelled and send those criminals to their respective nation where they came from, not to Rwanda. Rwandans are suffering their way. They do not have to be added other suffering. We hope President Trump will consider. And we call the African Union to denounce and isolate Kagame regime as a regional aggressor. We call on the European Union to demand international sanction to be in action and prosecution of war crimes. We cannot have peace in the region when criminals are free. We call on President Cyril Ramaphosa to use his influence in the region to protect the Congolese people who are under the agony and reject Kagame's genocidal politics. The world must not wait for the killing fields to fill before it acts. The genocide in Congo is happening right now. It is happening and it must be stopped, not to be commemorated. When you see how people are packed like fish in trucks, you will see them departing. You will never hear where they have gone or where they have taken to, and you will never hear about them anymore, because the whole agafuni will be raised against their head to be crushed. This is the way the RDF treat those who are under their hand. Please protect the people in Goma. Protect the people in Bukavu, where Rwanda RDF has put its hand. The genocide is happening now. Stop it. Do not commemorate it. Respectfully submitted by Inkuba Isake Kagoma, Speaker. Thank you for your attention, and blessed be those who will take action to protect the innocent civilian who are victims of agafuni from RDF of Rwanda. Have a nice day.